You machining intelligently? Welcome to the world of cutting-edge machining technology, where innovation meets productivity. ISCAR presents the new diverse multi-directional turning insert for roughing and semi-finish applications, featuring 3 positive cutting edges and a safety pocket design for very high feed in back turning. Let's delve into the exceptional features that set this turning insert apart from the rest. First, we have improved productivity. With the innovative Quick T-Lock system, this turning insert enables multi-directional front turning, back turning, profiling, and face turning, all accomplished with just one tool. Say goodbye to time-consuming tool changes and hello to outstanding productivity. Secondly, we have a unique clamping design. This turning insert features a screw lock tool with 3 bottom ridges, ensuring a fixed location and high stability even when machining at very high feed rates. With this design, you can push the limits of your machining capabilities while maintaining precision and reliability. Thirdly, the new Quick T-Lock family is specifically designed with efficient and dedicated chip formers and reinforced cutting corners for high feeds, making it perfect for back-working machining. Experience enhanced chip control, reduced downtime, improved chip evacuation, and cutting corner strength, which all contribute to optimal machining results. The diverse multi-directional turning inserts are available with ISCAR's renowned grades for ISO-P and ISO-M materials. Rest assured that you will have access to the highest quality inserts tailored to meet your specific machining needs. In summary, the new diverse multi-directional turning insert from ISCAR is a game changer in the machining industry. With its Quick T-Lock system, unique clamping design, and the insert shape design, the Quick T-Lock turning insert will revolutionize your machining operations and improve your overall productivity. Visit ISCAR's website or contact your local distributor to learn more about the diverse multi-directional turning insert. Unlock your machining potential with ISCAR.